Hey everyone, welcome to Mama Carol's Kitchen. I'm just so happy to have you all here with us today as I debut my jerk fish. As you can see, we're going to do a whole fish. This is a whole snapper. It's a rather large one. And when you're doing a whole fish, it's kind of better to have a bigger fish. Make sure you do your slices on both sides. This way you can get the seasoning in. So today I'm going to be featuring our Fyahouse jerk sauce. This is made by our family. It's a family recipe and it's just out of this world. With using this sauce, you do not need to add salt, but if you feel like you need extra salt, you can rub it on the fish prior to. But it's better if you don't because not everybody likes salty jerk sauce. Have you ever had that before? I have. Now, I've cleaned the fish, I've scaled the fish, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rub it down. I think this is just going to take maybe 3 spoons of this sauce. You don't need a lot because the flavor will penetrate into the fish. As you can see, I'm rubbing it in, get it down in those little cracks here. I am just making sure that the sauce is fully rubbed on the fish. Ooh. Wait till it's done.
The aroma.
Another way to cook this fish, it's not necessarily in the oven, but you can actually do, summertime is coming now, the grill. Get yourself one of these fish baskets, beautiful. You can see how it would fit in there. You put it on the grill, turn it, have a nice rum punch while you're watching it cook, and there you are. So have fun this summer using Fyahouse. So now I'm ready for the oven. You should preset your oven to 350, and as I said, it's 15 minutes per pound. Shove it in, and there it is. Well, I think my fish is done now. As I said, it's 15 minutes a pound, and this was a 2.5 pound of fish. And yes, it's done. So I just want to show you how we would present this fish. So now the key is to get it out of the dish without breaking it, because presentation is everything. Wow, look at that fish, beautiful. I want to show you how you can present it to your family or friends. I always say you want to garnish your fish. So I had already cut some lemons. Now I'm going to add some potatoes to it. What we have here are sweet potatoes, not the American sweet potatoes. This is, you'd see it in the stores, the Korean sweet potatoes. Then I have some of the other little white potatoes. And this just makes an awesome meal. Everybody can just dig in, taking potatoes and eating the fish. Here it is. Here's Sunday dinner. Isn't that beautiful, guys? There we go. Everything here has some kind of Fyahouse sauce in it. Here we have lamb meatballs with Fyahouse jerk sauce. The fish with Fyahouse jerk sauce. The ribs with Fyahouse jerk sauce. Or we could call it a marinade. Either way, it works. It also works as a table sauce. Try it on top of your fish or on top of your ribs once it's cooked. Please, here we have Fyahouse jerk sauce or marinade.